Hi Jay, I hope you are doing well. Based on your message, I have developed two possible options for you, in which one of them is that you can place all of your documents within that folder. It doesn't matter it is 10 or more. One of your documents may contain the client name all over the place. It doesn't matter, but it should be within the specific placeholder type so that it can be found and can be replaced. What you need to do is just place this macro file within that folder. And remember that this is the first solution that I am going to give you. I will give you the second solution later. So once you place that file within that folder, you just click on it and it contains a custom ribbon tab and a button that you can run. Once you run this macro from this button, it will ask you two things. First of all, it will ask you to write down the placeholder which you want to find. You can change this as well. When once you press the OK button, it will ask you to write down what you want to place uh, with with this. So I write down the name. When I press OK, it will open these files one by one. How many documents have been processed? So as you can see, all the client names have been replaced with the other one. So this is the first solution. Okay, since the requirement was not clear enough based on your text, I could just put the person's name in the folder, double click on it, which means that there may be two possible scenarios. One of which is that you have a folder with the name of your client, and you just have a different document within that folder along with the script that I will share. So here you go. So the folder name is before the your client name. So as soon as you run the script, it should open all these documents one by one, and it will replace all the client names within that within that document. And the second possible scenario would be to have different folders, different client names like ABC. I have this another script that you can run, and let's say this is going to be within that folder, and this outside folder script will loop through all those folders one by one, and within that folder it will open the file, word document file. Remember, you can have only doc file or docx file, and it will open this folder and do the find and replacement for all the folders outside this script. Okay, so I think I have actually cover all those different scenarios for this requirement. And let me know if I miss anything and if you need to change anything. Thanks.